guys, today we're gonna be playing this game. Where do I know this? Settings? Like, I can't even go to settings. So stupid. That's the bonus. Let's just press. Okay, so we want this one. Jesus, it's loud. This one is the easiest. Oh my god, bro. This is the second game. Wait, yellow. So now we can do both of them. Such a retarded at. Wait a second. Wait. If you think I both blue. What's the goal of this game? Try to. Oh, so you need a. Stupid. So if I. Oh, okay. So I get it. So when I do this, it's gonna. What the fuck? What the? This is bullshit. We're gonna try to start from here. Then from here. Wait, what? Wait. From both of these. And then what the fuck am I supposed to? Wait. What's the point of this game? Wait. I don't even know what's the point of this game. They get the deal. I'm divorcing this game.